What's going on, gardeners? On today's 2-minute garden tip, I'm going to show you something crazy I noticed that I was not expecting to happen that you may want to watch out for yourself. So I was out tossing some kitchen scraps around the bases of my fig tree, as one often does, and now that we have had many hard freezes that have completely defoliated my fig trees, I have better visibility than I had in this area when they were all full of leaves. And I noticed something very strange. There is a different wood growing right here. This is clearly not fig wood. This is actually persimmon wood. So I investigated further and I looked down at the ground and I'm seeing all of these persimmon suckers coming out of the ground right here in between my fig trees. So over here I have a persimmon tree. It is a Giambo Asian persimmon variety, but it is grafted onto a native American persimmon rootstock. You can see the graft line right here. So while the tree itself is an Asian persimmon, the roots are all American persimmon roots. But what is absolutely insane is my persimmon tree is all the way over here, and these rootstock suckers are all the way over here. So just for fun, I decided to pull a tape measure. 26 feet. These rootstock suckers are 26 feet away from the source. So that means the roots of this persimmon tree are so vigorous that they grew out through all of the root masses of all of these other very large, well-established, vigorous fig trees, came 26 feet out, and then for whatever reason they are sending Native American persimmon rootstock suckers up in between my fig trees right here. That's crazy, and I have no choice but to cut it out.
Cut it out! Get out of here!
So these rootstock suckers have to come out. We need to pull back our mulch layer, and we need to dig down into the soil a little bit. We at least want to dig down a couple of inches and start cutting these out below the soil line. And then we'll cover them back up and put the mulch layer back on top. You see how similar that wood is? The wood on the left is the actual wood from the Asian persimmon tree, and the wood in my hand is the Native American persimmon rootstock sucker that I just cut out. So let this be a lesson. Rootstock suckers don't just happen at the very base of the tree. These rootstock suckers were found 26 feet away from the source. So keep an eye out for them, and if you see them, remove them. And that's today's 2-minute garden tip.
If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing and hitting the bell to receive new video notifications, and check out our Amazon storefront and spread shop in the video description for a list of the gardening products I use and awesome custom designed apparel and other gear. Your support is greatly appreciated.